ColinScottTV. Today we're having a reaction video, and in our last video, Sarah commented the birds, and I don't know what it was, what it is, and without further ado, let's get started. So they're in a school.
I want you to go as quietly as possible, not make a sound until I tell you to run. Then run as quickly as you can. Does everybody understand? All right, John?
So basically, they're gonna run from something. Let me guess it's gonna be the birds. But let's just get with this.
The way.
They're running! I think they're running from the crows. When stuff is very old, like 1963, when this happens, you can literally see the line of their body. So, see, basically, it's just like you have like fake background and then just regular people walking. So it doesn't look that real because it's 1963. These crows are insane. You sound like crying demons. This is insane. This is scary. Weird. That was insane. I liked it though. Let's go movie clip and stuff. And I rate that thing 1 to like probably like a 6. Everything was great. Just I don't know, just doesn't seem right. But how scary it was probably 1 out of 5 schools. And like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, comment, save, share. If you like our reaction video, please give a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And if you have more suggestions, just put it down in the comments. Until next time, this is ColinScottTV. Bye.